What is up, YouTubers? So, 1962 Impala build. I got the floors in. It's not fully in yet. I need to gotta open this garage door. But I still got some more work to do. As you see down there, it's fully not sitting. Gotta do a little bit more trimming. I gotta trim over here in these corners. Can't get a. Let's see if I can get the light on it. As you see there, still need to do a little bit trimming there, and then I gotta do over there as well. Sorry, I'm trying to adjust the light. Really didn't take that long. I was actually pretty impressed. But as I was saying, I thought they did the floors, but apparently they cut a hole in this little section there and just put a whole pan right on it. They literally glued it. So what I needed to do was heat up the pan, melt the adhesive, and it probably would have came off like that. But I really think this is much better. And the weird thing about it is I did this myself. I put the whole floor pan in myself. See, it's not fully seated yet, but I still got work to do on the inner rockers. I don't think I'm gonna probably show a video of that. I'll probably do maybe a picture or something, or if I do, it'll probably be like a short, very short video of the braces and stuff like that. But yeah, so I got my braces here. This is for the brace for the back. This is let's see. This is the right one, so this piece is gonna go in the back, right? And can't even see it, but yeah, this goes back here. So I'll put it back in the box because this is the one that we don't need right now, but soon we will. I get my parts from Classic Industry. Not doing any promoting or anything like that towards them, but I've been doing my business with them for about since 2017, and I really didn't have no issues, no problems with them. Order my parts and I can get them within 1 week. Love it. So sorry, I'm trying to figure out where to put it at. I don't want to put it on the car, add more weight. These here, here's part of the braces. Sorry, y'all, wasn't really prepared on doing this. I had one of these open. I don't even know which one it is now. I literally just ordered the parts. Then when I order the parts, I just put them right in storage. Well, I'm gonna leave them on there. I'll leave the plastic on there. I'm trying to do this with one hand. See, it wasn't working. So these braces here, this is the right brace. So it sits up over there. This is the left one. Should be over there. This here, this was the last piece that I needed before I started the floor. So this brace goes and like this. Like that. And it goes underneath the floor. And I got this here. And one thing I did like is I did some work for, let me tell you something, right? This is for the left. So this brace actually goes underneath there. It's really easy. Let me get the other one. Let me get the right one. I was about to go around, and this is for the right one. And you'll notice that you got these holes here. They're going to line up inside these holes here. So if you have a bench seat, you don't need this. You just need this, I believe. No, I'm sorry. Actually, you is going to need for the bench seat. The bench seat takes both of these here. But if you have a bucket, you will have to get, there's a part that you have to get, and it fits on this here, and there's another piece that goes somewhere over here in this area, and that's where the holes go to put your bucket seat in. But as of this one, the hole that's right here, you got these, not these here. So you got to make sure that this whole brace and these are directly underneath it. And another thing that'll help out too is you notice there's a hole that's right here. And then on a bracket, there's a hole right here. This is for your seat belt for the front. Excuse me, for the front of your seat. And then you got another hole here. But you would have to buy this little bitty square piece. It has an adjustable jam nut inside of it. So you have to put that behind here, weld it on. And then this will be the other part of the seat belt. It'll be seat belt here, come up to the seat. And then I believe it's the male part. And then you have the female part that connects to the male. That strap will go here. And then another male will come up. And then you have another female on the other side of this hole here. And then you'll see another hole there for your seat belt. So if you get it, it kind of goes like an M shape for your seat belt. So this has to be completely under there too. I would try to put it underneath there now, but I got the old brace in there, so I got to cut that out and get that ready. So I got those parts. Now these braces, these is really easy. I'll show you the other easy one. I don't know if this is gonna stay on there. Yeah, there we go. Oh, the big boy. This is the main brace for the front. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand. Hold on, guys. Hold on, guys. I'm finna look at the sky right quick. I'm still here. Trying to get this out. Okay, sorry about that, guys. So, here's the other brace. Now, this brace goes in front, or it goes underneath. And now you see here, it has these holes here, which lines up to these holes on the floor. So those will line up underneath too as well. Like I said, instead of me getting all these parts, because I ended up getting them piece by piece. Well, there was back then I thought that the old braces, I would be able to just go ahead and reuse those, just kind of fabricate a little bit here and there. When I looked at it, they looked like they was pretty good. But then since I started taking the floor apart and actually start looking at them, they was not even worth working on. So at that point, I thought it'd be better to just get the floor. And then when I looked at the rear panel, it had rust holes in it. So I figured, you know what? I'm not even going to repair that. That brace over there was the worst. So that wasn't worth. So I ended up buying that. And then I ended up buying this. But then I figured, well, I might as well just buy this and just do the whole thing. And I really didn't. This part back here, it has a little bit of a hole down here that I can actually fix, but it's still in good condition, so I didn't really need to do it. Same with the inner rockers. They're in good shape, but the only thing is it's shoot, I don't even know which side it is. I think it's this side and this side that is actually rotted the most. And there's some other little areas over there that's very small pinholes that needed to be repaired, which is actually fine. So I figure instead of buying a whole piece, I might as well just buy them in parts. But tell you the truth, if I would have known that those braces was not in good shape, I would have bought the whole thing intact. But I think I still got a good deal on this, so I don't regret what I got. I'm just letting y'all know, just make sure y'all do y'all research and look at everything on here first before you start ordering. I was a little bit too quick on the draw for this one, but I'm happy for what I got. I'm really am. So that's enough of my babbling. I probably ain't gonna show the final thing. Like I said, I'll probably make another video of it being done, and then I'll probably just put a picture in showing me doing the parts on the inner rocker panels. So that way it'll be one more video of this, and that'll be the last of it. and we'll be going on to the trunk area. I can't show you because I got a door in there. So yeah, that's pretty much it, everybody. Till then, let me get this done, and I hope you learn a lot from this. If y'all had anything quicker, like any ideas or suggestions, I am open-minded, and I'm happy to hear about them. Yeah. Oh, there too, I even have to fix that whole lip there. So, but yeah. All right, everybody. I'll let y'all go. See ya. Thank you for watching. Bye.